What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today, this is sort of a bittersweet What's Up Wednesday because this is our final garden update on the deck in this house. The movers are coming this Friday. We are very frantically trying to get everything ready. We will still have stuff to move after they come and go. But this is going to be our last harvest of this container garden. And sort of bittersweet for me, but I'm excited for what's ahead. Also, we went to Lowe's and picked up a new dishwasher for the homestead. I just wanted to show you what we got. So join me. What's up? It's Wednesday, and let's do our final harvest of the container garden. So our first order of business is to find potentially a kitchen faucet. So I think we're in the right area. So let's go see what they have. So they have quite a few options. I'm kind of thinking I want to get one of these commercial style. And they have the Collier right here that a lot of people have told me about. I think this is the one you can take apart and clean the spring. They have that one, which is a Tilton, and they have a Flint that looks like that.
Because it's a discount. You see, it's like half the price of the car.
Yeah. The Kohler's $279. I think this is kind of like the top of the line version of this.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty cool. It just has this magnet, right?
Yeah.
Blank, and that makes it easy. This guy here, you got to fuss with, right? That doesn't work, and you got to go down here.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. Oh, it's got little buttons here. This has a big old button. Doink, doink, doink. That's kind of cool.
I think I want that one.
Look at the spray pattern here, right? That's pretty cool. The cheap one, I don't know. Doink. Back on there.
What's that little beep noise?
Hi,
So I know you have it.
Hi, ma'am. You want a faucet?
Sure.
Let's put it in your shopping cart for you.
Okay. So I'm going to mount it without the base because I have a single thing here. I have a hole here and a hole over here. So I need one cover. This hole is kind of big, so I don't know how to deal with that.
Sometimes you run your dishwashers through a vent, so you could have a vent up there if you want.
So far we're looking at this KitchenAid. It's $764. Doesn't have a third rack, which is kind of interesting. And we're looking at this KitchenAid. It is $1,079. This one's really nice. It has, love how they have a KitchenAid mixer bowl in there. It has this third rack, if I can open it, that has, you can put your glasses in there, and it has an extra bar in here that washes the inside of your glasses. Is this the silverware? Oh, that's an extra silverware. If they have this one, I'm getting this one. So I picked this one. It's KitchenAid. It's $1,079, and they're going to get one. They have it in stock, so we're going to get one. And I got this and a pail. And right now I'm packing prep bowls. We took down the stuff that was down the middle. There was a row down the middle, and we got that out. Yeah. So, Boo, let's get busy. So this is our final container garden on this deck. Kind of sad, but I am looking forward to what we're going to be able to do in the future. So we had a patio table here. We've taken it all apart. We have a few things left to take back out to the house. Still trying to figure out where we're going to put these plants, if we're going to be able to transport them or not. So let's see what we have. So here we have this big tomato, and it's pretty much as tall as I am. That's how tall this has gotten this year. It has some branches that are growing down. I'm not sure why that happened, but it's pretty full. We got some that are fully ripe, and we have a lot of tomatoes that are working their way on becoming ripe, right? This plant is chock full. So around here we have like 3 big pepper plants. Over here we have cherry tomatoes, and this cherry tomato plant, it looks a little wild, but this thing is really chocked full of cherry tomatoes. Actually, they're grape tomatoes. It is completely covered. Look at all those tomatoes on there. It is crazy. Eric has a major green thumb. All the way down there, this branch is on the ground, but it is also filled with tomatoes. Look at these things. These things, I could reach over here. They're like candy. They literally taste like candy. These pepper plants are completely chock full of peppers. These are Anaheims, I believe. And they've gotten so big. They've got little ones growing, and they've got big ones growing. There's some more down under there. Wow. These things are crazy. There's some over here starting to turn red. This plant here is pretty covered as well. We got huge peppers over there. We have some small ones over here. This one's got at least 10 peppers on it. So this plant is having a little bit of trouble. There's plenty of leaves on it, but some of these peppers are just downright getting sun scald. I'm not sure why that's happening. This one, it's starting to turn red. I'm not exactly sure why it's happening to this plant. It's not happening to the other ones. We did have it like more over in the direct sun, and he moved it over here, but we're still having issues with it. And over here, this one's leaning a little bit, but there are some huge peppers on this one. Look at that. Those are huge. Look at those red ones down there. We got green ones right there. So if you guys have any ideas for me about how you would transport these plants, our deck is really torn up right now because we moved a lot of stuff when we were moving the patio set. But I really want to take these plants with me. So if you have any suggestions on the best way to transport these, I would really appreciate it, because I don't want to lose out on all this beautiful fruit. So here it is, our final pepper harvest. So I plan to take these plants with us. I don't want to be done with them. I want them at the new house. So we're going to try our best to make that happen. So here are some of the grape tomatoes. Like I said, these literally taste like candy. You can just eat them off here like they're jelly beans or something.
Oh, I do.
They're delicious. We have tons of, look at how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful this pepper is. Look, it's even got a little baby on the side. Lots of red peppers. A lot of these are Anaheims, Big Berthas. We got some big, nice tomatoes. These tomatoes grow a little strange. You're not going to see them like these perfectly round things like you see in the grocery store. But the taste, let me tell you, is so far superior to anything that you would get at the grocery store. It's unreal. So here's our final harvest. And the next time you will be seeing these plants is at the new house. So what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you're having a great week. Please think of us on Friday because we are moving the furniture. The mover's coming, and it's time to make the major part of this move. Thanks for staying with us, and thanks for all your support. And I'm looking forward to everything that is to come. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Have a great week.